Hey, what's up guys, Vic here at PhoneArena, and today we have the Galaxy Note 10 Plus brand new, and we're testing the video recording qualities of this phone, starting with the main camera. So we're recording in 4K 30. Follow me around as we first test the video stabilization. This is the regular video stabilization, not the new Super Steady. We'll test this later on. Normal stabilization, regular camera, follow me. Now let's run. Okay, you should get a good idea about the stabilization here. Next up, we'll test different cameras. So you have an additional ultra wide camera here. It gives you a much bigger perspective. You can see all around me. Great for landscapes, great for tight spaces. Now let's switch back to the regular camera now. And then we also have a 2x telephoto zoom, which gives you about 50 millimeters focal length, about a normal viewing distance considered in photography. So this is a good way to zoom in and get a bit more detail up close. Next up, I'll step out of the frame here and let's move a little bit further into the sun. Okay, and this is the continuous autofocusing feature. See if the phone can focus on my hand. And then as I remove it, it should switch to the background. Let's try this once again. This is my hand. See if it can switch to the focus from the hand here to the background. The hand, the background. This once again. Okay. This is the continuous autofocusing. See if it can switch focus to the camera here. It should be pretty fast, but you should be able to tell us better in the comments of this video. One last time. This is my hand, and then back to the background. Next up, we'll also test the zoom all the way to the digital zoom. We'll use the maximum zoom here. So let me know what you see in terms of detail and how good it looks. Zooming all the way in using the digital zoom, not the optical one here. And then let's go back to the regular viewing distance with the main camera. And that's it guys, a quick test of the video qualities of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let us know what you think about the phone in the comments of this video. My name is Vic, thanks for watching.